Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the in-display sensor. But before that, we're going to go to the settings. Now here in the settings, we want to go to security. And once we are in the security, we want to click on fingerprint, enter the device pattern to make sure that it's us. Here we have our finger one, and I'm gonna delete it. We're gonna click delete, and now there's no fingerprints. So the fingerprint sensor is right at the bottom here. We want to make sure that we clean the entire part right here. Once we clean it using either a microfiber cloth or a soft cloth, we can go and click add fingerprint, click next, and here we have our fingers. So we want to press it, and as you guys can see, now we need to scan the finger edges. Sometimes it may show that a partial fingerprint is detected, but you shouldn't be worried about that. And we're gonna click finish. As you guys can see, now once we try it, it does work, and that's how we know our fingerprint is working. If it's still not working for you, what you guys want to do is go over and remove your screen protector if it's too thick. And as a last resort, we're gonna go over into system right at the bottom and tap on system update, online update, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. So it should say that your system is up to date, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.